Hello, today we are going to learn how to work with Excel sheets in Python Openpyxl by pythontutor.net. This is the Excel sheet we are going to open in Openpyxl. This is the Excel file. It has three sheets: employee data, sheet number 2 and sheet number 3, and the location of this sheet is in C Python 3.4. So this is in our root folder of Python. Now coming on here, Python shell, first we will have to import OS, import Openpyxl, and os dot get current working directory, and that is C Python 3.4. That means that our Excel file should be located in this directory. Now first we will create a reference to our Excel workbook or Excel file. WB is the name of reference. WB is equal to Openpyxl dot load workbook, and the name of file is data.xlsx. We have to provide the extension .xlsx. After creating a reference, we need to know the names of sheets in this file. wb.get sheet names, and employee data sheet 2, sheet 3. These are the three sheets in our file or workbook. Now we want to create a reference to sheet. Sheet is equal to workbook WB. We will do this by creating a reference by the workbook reference. So sheet is equal to WB dot get sheet by name, and here you can see this is the sheet name, employee data, employee data. So we are creating a reference to sheet with the help of sheet name or sheet title. Now this reference is created. We want to check the type of this reference. Type of sheet is of course a sheet. This step is not mandatory or necessary, but it is good to see the type of sheet, and it will tell us either a reference to that particular sheet is created or it is not created. If we want to know the title of our sheet, we can write object dot title employee data. And if you want to see the maximum rows or columns in our sheet, you can see here these are the three sheet names. Maximum rows 6 and maximum columns are 4. So let's see it here. Sheet dot max row 6, sheet dot max column, and that is 4. So the sheet has maximum of 6 rows and 4 columns. After that, we want to see that if we want to change the title of this sheet, how this could be done. First we will have to close this file, close it here, and now writing sheet dot title is equal to, let's say, new title. Sheet dot title is equal to new title. If you want to check the titles of all sheets, WB dot get sheet names, okay, WB dot get sheet names, and here it is. Parentheses were missed in the first attempt. New title, sheet 2, sheet 3, the title is changed. And in the end, if we have to save the file or workbook, what we can do is wb.save. And if you write, now there are two patterns of saving file, save and save as. If you want to save this file, then just write the name of file, data.xlsx, and commit it, press enter. However, it will overwrite the existing file, and when you are working in Openpyxl, it's always better, it's always safe to save with another name, and this will be as save as. And if we do it here like this one, and moving into our working folder, and this new file is created, and if you open this file, you can see here the title has changed from employee data to new title, and this is data2.xlsx file, and our original file still remains there, that is data and employee data, etc. No change has been done in our original file, but a new file is created and change is in there. So this is a little bit start of working with Excel sheets in Openpyxl. Till the next lecture, bye for now. Thank you.